Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful feature in Smartsheet, how to convert your existing project sheet into a timeline view. If you've ever found yourself staring at rows and columns of data, wishing you could see everything mapped out visually, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your project sheet into an interactive timeline, so you can track deadlines and visualize progress at a glance. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to have your project data already set up in Smartsheet. Maybe you've already imported your project tasks, assigned resources, or filled in the important details. If you're looking at your sheet and wondering, is it ready? A quick way to check is to make sure you see your task list with all your information in those neat grid lines, just like a regular spreadsheet. Now, here's something really important. In order to convert your sheet into a timeline, Smartsheet needs two date columns. Usually, these will be your start date and end date. If you don't have at least two date fields in your sheet, maybe just a due date or a single date, it won't work. The program needs a range to build out the visual timeline. So double-check your columns, and if you're missing either a start or end date, take a moment to add that in now. Don't worry if the dates aren't perfect, just make sure they're there so the conversion will go smoothly. Now let's get to the actual conversion. Look towards the top or left of your Smartsheet window where you'll see your main navigation menu. You should see an option that says Grid, since that's the default view for any sheet you open. This might look like a small dropdown or just a tab labeled Grid. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can choose how you want to see your data. From the dropdown list that appears after you click Grid, look for the option labeled Timeline. Click on Timeline and give it just a few seconds. If you have a large sheet, this might take a moment to load while Smartsheet works its magic. And that's it. Instantly, your sheet data, which, let's face it, wasn't that inspiring to look at in rows and columns, is now displayed as a visual timeline. You'll see each of your tasks stretched out from their start to end dates, making it simple to spot bottlenecks, see overlaps, and get a clear view of your project. If your timeline doesn't look quite right, maybe some tasks look too short or too long, don't worry. You can always go back and adjust your date fields directly in the sheet, and the timeline will update automatically. Think of it like rearranging sticky notes on a wall. You can keep shuffling things around until it looks just right. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can turn your regular project sheet into a timeline and immediately gain a whole new perspective on your project's schedule and deliverables. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share how you use Timeline View in your own projects, drop a comment below. I love hearing your insights. And of course, if you want more tips and tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.